think you're in Beverly Hills. This guy right here, that guy's a baller. He's got a gate and everything. Yep. Let's go see what's going on in here. You're right. The pipe doctor of Beverly Hills. Kid you not. Smash that thumbs up button. What are you waiting for? Let's go. There's the guys right there. The guys right there. The dogs, you know.
Yeah, you're right. You're true. Good afternoon. Tom Boffinger. Plumbers are here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Fred?
Yes.
How you doing there? Bugle home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mike. All right, Lee. Where are they?
They're in the back.
Okay, let's go see.
Hey, Christian. You get it clear?
Well, we're good, so we can see it outside of the camera.
Okay. Hey, you. Hey, making out, brother.
I told you we have to come out here.
That's all right. We want to make sure Matt's working right.
Yeah, it's around.
Yeah.
How's your hole?
It's not bad. It needs to be jetted. It's
We have
good.
each other.
We have
Yeah,
each other.
I know. I told him so. We need to give him a quote on what it would be for a new toilet flange.
Okay.
It's got a little crack on the side right
Okay.
there, and then also the angle stop. Angle stop don't turn off,
Ooh,
Nice.
that's not
so
good.
you got to turn it off by the house.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You know what? I'm frustrated. Call this Mikey Frustrated Pipes. So today is the 18th of February, 2024. Finished up day of work here in Winter Garden, Florida, with the Plumbing and Air by Tom operation. By the way, in the coming weeks, within the month, maybe less than, I have a great announcement to make. You guys are gonna love it. But I'm frustrated in the interim. I set policies and procedures for this operation, almost identical to the operation, the plumbing and HVAC business that I operate in New York. Very simple, right? You are given a company uniform, which you're paid to wear. Okay? You are given a stock truck, right, which the company has afforded to you. You are given a, like a red carpet, so we can roll out the red carpet treatment. You're given booties to wear when you walk into a customer's home. So the question is, why the fuck is no one following my procedures and policies that I set in place? And more importantly, why the fuck is Tom not enforcing the policies and procedures that I put in place? I'm fucking confused. Seriously. I said this 2 weeks ago when I was here. And I said, we have a great plumbing contracting business. And if you want to run service calls and have a construction division, right? It's a world of a different operation, right? We just left this home that's north of $3 million on this lake in Winter Garden, Florida. The whole fucking neighborhood is filled with multi-million-dollar homes, just like everywhere else it is around here, right? And we're there for a mainline stoppage that's somewhere under the slab of the home. It's not outside between multiple cleanets that are outside. Nope, it's inside. Tom and I drove a half hour from the last service call we were at with Cooper and Z-Car, re-roughing a bathroom. And we did a pop inspection there to see how everything's going. And sure enough, no fucking red carpet. I don't know if you guys noticed it in the video. No red carpet, right? No booties. The goddamn fucking toilet is resting on the freaking tile floor with no protection. What the fuck? And I kept my cool. I said nothing. Absolutely nothing when I was there. Absolutely nothing. I said, Tom, you know what? There's no need to sit here and watch them, babysit them. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you show care, concern, and respect for the property you're working on, your customer's home, right? They'll greatly appreciate it. If we rolled out that red carpet in this over $3 million home, the immediate first impression is wow. You can't tell me otherwise. It's wow. You roll out the drop cloth, right? From point A to point B. You pull the toilet. You put it on something protective, like even a stolen towel from a hotel that I've given all these guys. Yet here we are, we're going to reward Matt, right, with basically $100,000 rig. Yeah, that's what it fucking costs, right? I signed for the paperwork last week. $65,000 for the truck, another $4,000 for the truck wrap, another $12,000 for the racks and bins and the roof rack on the truck on the roof. Inventory. I must be out of my fucking mind. So if they're not doing it on a surprise pop-up inspection where me and Tom showed up, then you damn well know they're not doing it any other time as well. And I told Tom, you know what? You already spoken to him about this once before, right? Well, guess what? Now it's time for a written warning, right? You know what? Fuck it. If you're not going to follow the rules and procedures and policies that have been set in place, right? Well, guess what? I guess then maybe, just maybe, you know what? You'll just stay roughing in houses. And, you know, when there's no work, I guess, you know, you'll be furloughed when there's no jobs that day, right? But, oh, you want to do service. Like I said, I am frustrated and disappointed. Frustrated and disappointed. I'm done, bro. I'm done right now. I can't talk anymore. Thanks for listen. Thanks for being my shrink. I appreciate it. Catch you later.